There are 18 kids in the sister wives family. That is a lot of mouths to feed and a lot of kids to take care of. Over the seasons, some of the Brown children faced heavy-faced medical issues. This begged the question if the family even had health insurance. Sister wives' medical emergencies. Over the past 16 seasons of the show, there have been a handful of medical issues that the Brown children faced. Some were quite severe and very costly. The biggest issue was health insurance and the lack thereof. According to the Ashley's Reality Roundup in 2013, there was a point where Kody did struggle. He did not necessarily feel comfortable having all of his, then, 12 children on his health insurance. That all changed his daughter. Maddie had a very costly emergency appendectomy. The family had to start sorting out how to cover their children properly so this would never happen again. Luckily, his daughter with his first wife Mary could be covered under him since they were legally married. Janelle worked full-time, so it is plausible that she was able to get insurance for her 6 children through her job at some point. However, that must have cost an arm and a leg. Yet, after Maddie's appendectomy, it was probably well worth it. Do not forget that the family was on government assistance for some time, even as the show began. So that must have helped. Christine was left to fend for herself as a single mother and was left in the dust twice. The first time was when Truly's kidneys began to fail and she was in the hospital for some time with the end cost of $450,000. Then there was Isabel's scoliosis surgery. How did that work? So many questions. It was not just a celebration on Sister Wives when Isabel was able to get her scoliosis surgery, but her mom, Christine, had another thing to celebrate. She had applied for the insurance and was thrilled that it had been approved after several months. Robin's status was unclear since she came in with 3 kids, so they could have been under her ex-husband's insurance. Now, she is the only legal wife, so her 5, the OG 3 were adopted in 2014, probably are covered under Kody. Fans have watched the family leave stable jobs for new and random ventures, so the question of insurance was posted on Reddit. They don't. Probably why they waited so long to take Truly to the hospital and why Kody dragged his feet for years on Isabel getting surgery. Christine said it took her 5 months to secure insurance for her to get the surgery. They're basically single moms. This drives me nuts. I think Noodlehead didn't have insurance for all initially but ended up getting it for all after one got sick. Moms are probably responsible to find their kids plus Robin's though. One Redditor noted that Janelle stated that, despite having a job, her kids were not insured. Therefore, it is now quite questionable what was going on with her. She had a full-time job but no insurance? In any case, Janelle and Christine are extremely independent and most of the kids are adults now. So they can handle themselves. The biggest problem with polygamy is most wives are looked at as single mothers, so a man cannot give them the accommodations they need. What do you think of the insurance situation? Let us know.